Today I'm going to talk to you about some of my favorite products that I use during the summer. So when summer comes, you know, temperatures are higher and you need to adjust your skincare routine based on that, the same way you need to adjust it for winter time. You don't need to buy these specific ones or use these specific ones. I'm just going to share which ones I use and which ones I like. Let's start with skincare. So you should get some kind of hydrating primer. This one I really like from Erno Laszlo, and it's called Hydra-therapy Boost Serum. So basically really intense hydration. Our skin gets really dry when we're in the sun, so you need to make sure that you put back the moisture. This is how the serum looks like. You see I'm already like halfway through it. I really like the texture and I really like the smell. I just like the way it feels on my skin. After a serum, you need to apply moisturizer. If you checked one of my posts on Instagram, I'm gonna put it somewhere here. There's a difference between a serum and a moisturizer. Serums are here to specifically target some needs that your skin has, and moisturizers are here to keep the moisture in your skin. So you need to use both, in my opinion, because it's just gonna make your skin look better over a period of time. One of my favorite moisturizers is this Belif Aqua Balm. Okay, let me show you. So this moisturizer really just feels really nice on my skin, and I like those gel-based moisturizers for summertime. After you're done with your skincare, you need to apply an SPF. SPF stands for sun protection factors. You need to use SPF during the whole year. I know summertime people just, you know, talk about SPF more, but honestly, you should wear it all the time because sun keeps, you know, hitting us. They also say that you need to use SPF while indoors because the sun also comes from the windows. But anyway, I use two at the moment. This is from L'Oreal. It's SPF 30. I really like this one because it has like a citrusy smell, vitamin C, E, hyaluronic acid, and blood orange water. If I'm gonna be exposed to more sun, I'm just gonna use this DermaQuest SPF 50. Another good thing about products that are kind of made for summer is that they already put SPF inside of the product. That brings me to your foundation. Summertime, I prefer not to use foundation. I prefer to use BB creams, CC creams, or tinted moisturizers. My two current favorites are this Erborian CC cream. You see this is like almost done. And my second favorite is this Causementics. This one has SPF 35 and this one has SPF 25. I used it in my video of how to do makeup for quick makeup for summertime, so you can check it out. While we're talking about SPF, I suggest having one of these spray bottles. Okay, this is a really low factor, it's 15. So I use this when I'm just going like around the neighborhood or something. But for the beach, definitely apply a higher number. But I just like having these sprays because it's just so easy to apply and you're done. It's not hard to apply it, so you don't have an excuse not to use SPF. Next product I want to share with you guys is this Badescu Special Healing Powder. I like to use it throughout the year, but also during the summer when I get burned or if I have some redness. So if you apply the powder on your scalp or any injuries, not injuries, but any you know, if you get a rash somewhere or if it just broken skin basically. So if you apply this powder, it's really gonna do wonders for your skin, and I highly recommend this product from Badescu. I just recently discovered this brand, Eminence. It's from Hungary and it is organic. Oils are not super recommended for summer, but I use this at night when, you know, my skin kind of feels exhausted or something, so I just apply it. This one is a facial recovery oil, and it feels really nice and it smells nice. So at nighttime, I would suggest using something a little heavier. You can also use a night cream. It wouldn't be a summer talk without my Summer Friday jet lag mask. This mask is everything. This is my third tube, and I really rarely keep buying the same things because I just like trying different things. But this mask, it's nice for dehydrated skin. It's nice for when you have any inflammation. It's nice to apply it when you're flying. So if you have any trips coming up, definitely grab one of these. When I'm in flight, I just apply it. I cleanse my skin and then I apply a thick layer. And you don't even have to wipe it out. It just sinks in your skin, and it's just really nice. And whenever I feel like my skin is needs like a pick-me-up, I grab this. Another thing I really like during the summer are facial mists. This is my favorite from Caudalie. It's called the Beauty Elixir. This is a limited edition bottle. It's this like pinky white color. This mist, it has some natural oil, so you need to shake it and then just apply all over your face, and it really smells nice, and it gives you like a little, feels like a little spa moment. Whenever I'm feeling like hot or exhausted, I just spray this and instantly I just feel better. Another thing I like, I just recently started using it, is this Aqua de Parma body lotion. This scent is called Mirto di Panarea. I just feel like it's a really summery body lotion. I like body lotion, so this is like, this one is in a spray, and I also like the convenience of it, just like sprayed everywhere. Oh, I have a matching lip balm. It's this also Aqua de Parma. It's just a lip balm. I like to have a nice lip balm on hand that smells nice, feels nice, and it just looks cute. I'm from Croatia, and everybody who grew up in the Balkans used this product, Melem. So this is like a savior for anything. Whatever's wrong with your skin, you should use this. So sometimes also you can use it as a lip balm. You can use it on any harsh, you know, if your skin kind of breaks during the summer. I mean, during the winter or anytime, but this is also a product that I like to carry in my bag. There's one more product I want to share, is this Ouai Hair and Body Shine Mist. Summer is all about the bling, so we all like to look, you know, glowy and bronzy and all that. So I just like this spray to apply all over my hair or my body. Just gives like a nice, you see how shiny, wait, can you see how shiny it is? It's really shiny. I don't know if the camera can catch it, but your hair really looks nice after applying this spray. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you're gonna have an amazing summer, create some beautiful memories, and just make sure to protect your skin while you do it. See you in my next video. Bye. Ooh. Wrong button.